It's HDC day. Gonna go to Lawson and buy some hydration materials. Then we're gonna go. I don't know where we are, but we're going to the toilet. Ooh, books! Okay, I think we arrived already in our spot because I see Cinecittà, so I feel like malapit na siya. This is the venue. Okay guys, so kakatapos lang namin mag-run. So ngayon, paakyat na kami sa holding room. Tatagalog ako para di ako naiintindihan ng mga tao dito. How you feeling?
Palibigan na. Buwasan tuloy ng 10 seconds na.
Having...
You know Wallach? Yeah. Long time, yeah. I think so long. And then no Ray. He is how many are you? Yes.
Yan nga yung ilig. Nakala ko tama.
Okay, let's see if you will get it right this time.
Alam ko na. Di ko kasi binasa yung una. Ba't parang may mali?
Pull it to the side. Like tenga.
Ala, ayaw niya.
Hindi mo kasi nahila ng buo.
Oo nga, may naiiwan.
Hindi. Ito, hila mo siya ng buo sa
hanggang sa likod.
hanggang mawala, makulit talaga.
Wala na.
You also enjoy
Video?
Malalaman. Parang malalaman mo.
Pero I feel like yung first step is kailangan mong i-embrace yung sarili mo lang. Huwag mo nang isipin yung pressure ng ibang tao.
Never stop.
So we finished doing our run, and now we're going outside to meet them. And my throat is so dry. How do you feel?
I feel great. I feel blessed. I feel thank you. Thank you very much. What's gonna some days?
What's good? You feel?
Exhilarating.
How about you? How you feeling?
Mizu. Hitatsu.
And how about you, Miss Rain? How do you feel?
I feel
Naku, mahaba to guys. Umubo.
I feel happy.
Oh, my throat is so dry. Like, it's crazy. It hasn't felt like this in a really, really long time. In my long time of... Thank you!
Hey!
Hey!
Dance on.
I got hungry, so we're getting Burger Kings because I haven't eaten like a heavy proper meal. We just had a noodle, and that's not good because we danced. So no more carbohydrates in our body. Oh yeah.
Hinahatak mo naman po.
Arise.
Ano yun? Ano daw?
Today, we are feeling tired but thankful to have experienced this 2025.
Go to Java.
Ano talaga? Beauty.
Po tayo ngayon sa Kura Sushi.
So, kamusta yung first dance event na napuntahan mo?
Sobrang solid po. Mapa, charot.
Bakit parang nasa TV pa? Na-enjoy mo naman?
Na-enjoy ko po. Sobrang solid nila.
Napapasayaw ka?
Oo, mga ganun-ganun.
Ayun lang po. Nagbabagang balita. Back to you. Back to you, Tom.
Araw yun.